What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, and we back with another video. You see the title. You might get confused with the box, but you see the title, so you already know what we're going over. This sneaker came in the mail a couple days ago, and it sold, so I'm trying to get rid of it. So let's get right into the review, all that good stuff. This week I got a whole bunch of videos I'm dropping. I'm literally gonna film these one by one. I just dropped the pink Dunk High review. Go check that out. I dropped it yesterday, whatever it was. Either way, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We're on our way to 500 plus subs, as well as comment whatever. I respond to all my comments, and as well like this video, like the channel, share the channel, share the videos, get more people join the squad. My main channel and my Instagram, those two links will be down below in the description, so check that out. Yeah, there's nothing really else to say, but let's get right into this video, and yeah, that's it. Let's get it. Alright, so off rip, like I said, don't get confused with the box, because yes, you might think it's a Dunk, but it's not. It's your Nike Air Max 1 Treeline. They got a whole bunch of names for these, Treeline, whatever. People also call it the Joker colorway, low-key, because the green and purple. Big boy size 13. I didn't check these shoes out at all. I just seen it just for what it is. Also, it could be labeled as the Green Goblin with the gold and green, which that's fire. Low-key, this shoe is fire. I'm not gonna lie. This with a nice Joker shirt, Green Goblin shirt, will be way more fire than getting the Joker. Alright, so yeah, it's not nothing different on any of the shoe. I just want to make sure, just in case someone said, oh, you didn't check out the other shoe, has that, but alright, yeah, so nothing else. Put that shoe away. Let's get over with this review on this shoe. Take my breath. Let me get a good inhale. Smells like Air Max, old school feel, but definitely let's get that quick thumbnail for you guys right now. Let's get it. Boom. Nice little thumbnail for you guys. Perfect condition. Inside, let's get a quick little look inside myself. Got purple outline in there. You can see it a little bit. All types of different designs in there. You got this gold pouch from the inside coming out to the gold around. Gold, brown, whichever people wanted to label, like dress it as, match it as. And we got the tongue with that gold and green and lavender, purple type. The tongue definitely feels like soft. You got these like patterns in the shoelaces, look like polka dot type of shoelaces. You can see it up close with the nice little purple, lavender, white, and pink a little bit. Well, not pink, but you know, the lavender, white, and green, like polka dot type in the shoelaces. Definitely a different look, not your typical Air Max. Definitely. What else? Got the bottom black print as usual. This is not your typical white. As you can see, it's like a beige, creamish type of color for the base of the bottom of the shoe. So it probably won't get as dirty as if you had it as white. Definitely better material for when you clean it. Nike Air Max logo on the back with the Nike logo, as you can see. Nice color pattern with the little gold in the green. Luckily, like, I'm glad they didn't put no black or white or just a different odd color to, you know, mix it up. To, you know, how sometimes Nike does that. They'll throw an off color out of nowhere. I definitely do like this color pattern. The nice lavender. Like I said, this is not a leather shoe at all. So you can see, you can get, like, when you dust it off, it goes lighter, darker type of feel on the lavender purple. Definitely an amazing colorway. I like this Air Max 90. They're not going for too much on the resale market, so maybe long-term holding, it may go up. But when there's other sneakers coming out, I was not going to hold this. If you hear that noise, that's the air fryer. Your boy is making some food. That's why I'm doing this video. In the meantime, sorry about that noise. Like I said, this is a size 12. So sorry for the people that didn't hit on sneakers because of me with this size 12. But either way, like I said, it doesn't go for that much on resale. So you could definitely grab a pair. So let me know, did you guys cop this for the personal? Or now that you're watching it, you may want it, because it's definitely a nice colorway. I like this gold patch with the green and lavender purple. Definitely tell me what's better, Joker or Green Goblin from Spider-Man. Definitely Green Goblin would be an underrated colorway, like to match it with like a shirt. If you're gonna wear like a fit for that, definitely Green Goblin would be better, because the Joker is overhyped. Even though Joker is the better villain in Spider-Man movie, in Batman movies, I still would say, like, fitting wise, I'd rather get a Green Goblin, because that's an underrated. That'll throw people off, definitely. It would throw them off with the flow of that. So yeah, let me know if you cop for resale as well. Did you go for these personal, or did you strictly buy it like I did for reselling? Perfect, nice shoe, nice design. Definitely the color blocking with the little beige on top right here. Definitely an amazing colorway shoe. I definitely, if like I said to my old videos, if someone gave me this and said, hey, you have to keep it for personal, I would not be mad. This probably would look better in a small colorway. I'm not gonna lie to you. Smaller sizing. It's like some damn stitching. Not stitching, but like hair in here. Like whatever. Either way, definitely let me know in the comments what you think about this Air Max 1. I keep saying 90, but you get what I mean. Air Max 1 definitely has the ankle socket way of the Air Max 90s. But definitely, this is definitely a nice colorway. I would like to see this in an Air Max 90, maybe. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Did you pass on these? Did you know they even dropped? Watching this video doesn't make you consider of maybe wanting to buy it. I know a lot of men and resellers might watch this video. I don't think any girls are going to watch this unless they want to buy it for their man. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. And your boy Little Roy's out. One final look. All that good stuff. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Like I said, follow my Instagram. Check out the main channel. Those links will be down below in the description. And subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.